Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about coordinating conjunctions, specifically nor, which connects negative ideas. Nor is a coordinating conjunction. It connects two negative ideas together. Think of it as neither this nor that. Nor always follows a negative statement. Listen to these examples. The shop assistant did not give a refund, nor would he exchange the item. She does not like apples, nor does she enjoy oranges. He didn't call me, nor did he send an email. The nor rule is simple. Use nor after a negative statement to add another negative idea. Nor requires inversion. That means nor plus auxiliary verb plus subject. Inversion means changing the normal word order. After a negative clause, nor is followed by auxiliary verb then subject. She didn't call, nor did she send a message. They haven't decided, nor are they planning to. Here are more examples. He wasn't hungry, nor was he thirsty. We didn't win, nor did we expect to. Notice how the auxiliary verb comes before the subject after nor. Practice these sentences. I don't smoke, nor do I drink. The car won't start, nor will the lights come on. Always use inversion after nor. To summarize nor, it connects two negative ideas. It requires inversion with auxiliary verb plus subject. Nor always follows a negative clause. Practice these patterns to master nor.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.